one final dance with him. I played a song that would never ever end, 'cause I love to dance with my father again. Times I listen outside the door and hear a hum happening. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. Gusto ko tayo na, ha? Kaya ako natakaw lang. Lagay talaga ba? Mawakawan sila inspirado, no? I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you send back the only man you love? I don't do it usually, but below she's tired to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep. Wala ba kaya alam kung bakit?
Bakit?
Kasi grade 2 pa lang siya. Okay, ang cute naman sinusupa ako.